Miss Jenny Holiday, contestant number 6. Hey girl. Alright, contestant number 6, Miss Jenny Holiday. Oh wow, you've been on holiday, you forgot how to wear your bra. Alright, judges, keep it up. Fly event manager. Test this, 1, 2, 3. Got 2 only lah.
Okay, so let me tell you what's good. I thought that you were the best among all tonight.
The best among the all!
Right? And why were you best is because you really felt like you were enjoying the act. I think that meant more than anything else. Because even though you can't mind the words, you don't know what fucking language is this, but you kind of enjoy the show with the motion and the moves. It was really there. I thought what could be better is you could kind of tape your costume more. Anytime you felt like we could see your nipples anytime soon. So you should bring kind of wardrobe malfunction better, right?
Yeah, don't do a Janet Jackson doll. Alright.
Yeah, I think for none of I thought you deserve our applause, and I think there's a lot more room for improvement, so do better next time, right?
Alright, thank you Kiva for your positive feedback. Miss Elnina.
Okay, I agree with him totally. Because the only difference, okay, if the contestants, there is 5 contestants today. The only difference between the 4 of them and you is eye contact. You have to have eye contact with the audience. Look at them and entertain them. I've already mentored you, and you draw them in and make them entertain with you. I know it's a very difficult song to do while dancing in a vigorous kind of movement like that, but you make that eye contact. Okay, contestants, remember, eye contact. Make the audience look at you, mesmerized. I'm mesmerized by your beauty, and you are one of the best.
One of the best positive feedback from the judges. Eye contact, just like in the club, getting your lily is the same thing. Norris, eye contact.
Okay, I'm gonna touch on something which is very different because I actually know all the contestants personally. Knowing that you are not feeling very well, you are having a fever today, I'll give you a round of applause.
Sick but still doing your best.
Fabulous, you're still doing a good job. Despite the wardrobe malfunction, showing your nipples or whatsoever, you managed to put it back on. That's what I call styling.
That's right, putting her nipples in fashion. If you guys want to vote for Miss Jenny Holiday, she's contestant number 5, books number 5 to my left, by the side of our Drag Academy Principal Rita. Oh, Keeper. Do you talk about nipples? I love talking about nipples.
Just like nipples. I'm not going to talk about nipples, but I thought hearing what Norris said, you got a fever. Having run so many events, I thought that is what's called showmanship. It didn't feel like a fever, and for that, you got my +5 bonus for that.
+5 bonus points for that, something new. Riza. Nothing else? Alright, all thumbs up from the judges panel. Give it up for Jenny Holiday! Giving you some turkey realness. Thank you so much. Please head backstage.